How to translate website to English in Safari. Open the Safari application on your device. In the search bar, I will search for a Chinese website, that is Baidu.com. You can see all the text in here is in Chinese language. Now, in order to change this, tap on the small a and capital A icon you see on the left side of the search bar. There, you will find the Translate to English option. Tap on that and now you will receive a pop-up. Tap on the Enable Translation option and you can see within seconds the entire web page is changed from Chinese to English. You can also go back to your home screen and launch the Settings application. Tap on General here and then on Language and Region. Since my iPhone's preferred language is set to English, the translations were in English. However, if you want to change your iPhone's language, tap on the Edit button and change it to whichever your preferred language is, and the translations will be available in that particular language. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.